It is early and I'm off to Cars and Coffee, driving the Vortex, which hasn't been started in quite a while. Let's see how it goes and if there's any tappity taps going on when we turn it over. 3, 2, 1. It sounded a little bit unhappy when it sprang to life. Anyway, we'll see how it goes, and now it's time to wash it because the birds have done their work. Well, one bird in fact has been hanging out on my car, a peewee, and it's been seeing its own reflection and mistaking that for another bird that it can talk to and possibly hook up with. So it's been sitting on the mirrors, sitting on the roof. It's especially been sitting on this mirror. So that'll be getting a replacement, I'd say, and the rest will be getting a wash.
This is a work of